It gives me great pleasure to recognize the work and worth of Jamaica's first female master blender, Joy Spence. Today, Joy celebrates a milestone of 40 years as master blender for J. Ray and Nephew Limited. Joy not only changed the world of rums, but has been a true daughter of the soil by taking brand Jamaica throughout her travels and combining rum, music, and passion in her tasting sessions across the world. She has helped to keep Jamaica top of mind as one of the best producers of quality rum in all ages, which continues to attract many visitors to experience this liquid gold. I wish you, Joy, many, many more milestones as you continue to perfect your craft and share a piece of Jamaica with so many across the world.